Your credit score is keeping you broke. I know that's a bold statement. And I know all the gurus are telling you to build your credit, build your credit, build your credit. But today, I'm sharing 3 reasons why your credit score, your FICO score that is keeping you broke. Let's dive into the conversation. I know you hear people tell you, build your credit, build your credit, build your credit. And you've done it for so many years, and it's keeping you broke. Here's why. The first reason it's keeping you broke is because every single month, you're paying somebody your hard-earned money, and it goes out the door every month. I know you got things on credit, you're buying things, in gas, food, just to build your FICO score and paying it back. You see your credit score go to 800. That's the ultimate goal. 800 credit score. So by you doing that for years and years and years, there's the money going out of your pocket. You work hard for it, working overtime, you're working 2 jobs, got a side hustle, doing all you can to make ends meet, and you wonder why you're struggling. Well, you're struggling because you're having payments come out of your bank account every single month. That's why you're struggling. So what do you need to do? Stop borrowing money. Because if you don't stop borrowing money, you'll stay in the rut and you're wondering why you can't move ahead. The second reason that's keeping you broke is because you're paying back more than you borrow. People say use OPM. Well, the cost of using other people's money, or OPM, is called interest. Interest is a penalty when you borrow somebody else's money. Because someone isn't gonna let you borrow money, say a bank or a credit union, without getting paid. You get the principal amount, which is the money you borrow, but the cost of them giving you their money is called interest. It's a penalty to you because you're paying that money to that person over time, and you're making somebody else rich. That's what it is. You're making somebody else rich by giving them your monthly payments of interest. Yeah, I know it's 3%, but imagine 1 million people are saying the same thing, having the same mentality. They're borrowing money at 3% interest, and they're paying it back. That's why so many banks are financially secure, because they're getting money on the back end. They're loaning you money, you pay it back, and then they're making money off of you. And you keep doing the same thing year after year. Borrow money, pay it back. Borrow money, pay it back. It's a cycle. And people are like, well, I can't figure out why I'm struggling. This is why. Because you're not doing the right thing with your finances. You're borrowing money, paying it back, and you're just going in a circle, the trap. The third reason why your credit score is keeping you broke is because you never get out of debt. Because your mentality is, I'm going to borrow somebody else's money, pay it back. That's a bad strategy. Here's why. Because you'll never see financial freedom by always borrowing somebody else's money and paying it back. I know they tell you, build your credit, build your credit, build your credit. However, do that over time. You spend thousands of dollars building your credit. Imagine if you had no debt. Who could you bless? How much money could you save? How much money could you invest if you had no debt? So the whole point of this thing is to encourage you to break your mentality of borrow money, build your credit, leverage debt, because it's what everybody talks about. There are only a few people out there who are talking about being debt-free, and I'm one of them. I want you to be debt-free, but you have to be willing to change your mindset about debt, because debt is a thief. It's taking your financial future now and squandering it. And people telling you, build your credit, borrow money, leverage. I'm telling you, get out of debt, because it's the only way to live. Otherwise, you're stuck in a trap, and you're worried, stressed out, and you're wondering why you can't move forward. This is why, y'all. I'm gonna be the person to say, get out of debt, because that's what it needs to be. Because everybody and their mama talking about build your credit, borrow money, leverage, and I want to be different. I want you to be too. So get out of debt today. You can do it if you choose.